from the last walkthrough of the CAD model. In our last episode, we discussed the dining room off of the kitchen. We discussed the master suite, which includes the master suite living area, the bathroom, the closet, and overhead the master bedroom itself in the tower. In today's episode, we'll discuss the other side of the house. So, this is the front door. There is a staircase here, which is not yet represented on the model, and that staircase leads to this doorway. Obviously, these are sort of half-height walls to allow a better view into the room. So through the front door, there is the room, which is empty now, except for the fireplace. There is one window looking out towards the orchards, which live out here. And there's a bookcase in the wall. Other than that, it's just kind of four walls. There are two doors going through here and here to what I'm now calling the dining room. And on the other side of the living room, there is one door, which is approximately 3.5 feet tall. There are no stairs whatsoever existing here into what I've called the guest bedroom. So, first thing, punch a hole through the wall here into the living area of the master suite. So punch that hole through because this is a higher elevation than the floor of the living room. Some stairs need to be built. Stairs also need to be built for access to the guest suite. Unfortunately, stairs kind of take up a lot of space in the room. So I'm still toying with different models, different ideas on how to best utilize the space. I could potentially drop the stairs this way. So to access the guest suite, one would go this way, up, 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 and then in. And that would remove a little bit of needed space here, but there's still space required here. I don't know. I'm going to toy with it a little bit and see if I can't come up with some better ideas, short of a ladder, because the stairs are chewing up a lot of sort of real estate and also throws off the kind of the balance of the room, because the fireplace is basically in the middle of the room. And I've just populated it, again, just to get an idea of how a full-size couch in its normal dimensions and some chairs and a coffee table might exist in a room like this. I can't get this stuff centered across the fireplace because of the requirement for these stairs here. So another idea is to work the stairs directly into the space between the walls. But that's a bit of a challenge because this is only 0.7 meters thick, maybe 2 foot 4 inches thick wall, and 2 foot 4 inches is a short travel to go down 3.5 feet to put the stairs there. So anyway, I'm still toying with the stairs, but this is effectively what the living room looks like. And then on the near corner of the house, when I did the first videos walking up to the house, it was coming up here, going boom, 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 up the stairs here into the front door. So, walk in the front door, somehow get up some stairs into this room. The room, it's basically 4 walls, but has an alcove kind of cut into the wall here, which could be used as some kind of a closet, I suppose. There's a bookshelf built into the wall. There's also a pretty good sized window here. So there will be some meaningful light let into an otherwise or stone walls room. There's gorgeous brand new beams overhead. They're in really wonderful shape. They're very pretty. But the room is big enough to support a desk and or some kind of a vanity makeup table. I don't know. A bed and a couple of nightstands. Basically what you'd find in any guest room. So that is the entirety now of the piano primo, or first floor of the house and tower. They are not, as you can see, level floors. This one's different than that one. This one's different than this one. This one's different than this one. This one's different than this one. Obviously, the tower is different from all of them. But that's how I see, at least for now, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, kitchen, dining room, living spaces, floor plan succeeding within the constraints of a bunch of very thick old stone walls that are difficult to move. And then, of course, the bathroom downstairs with a staircase up to the kitchen and possibly a door out to the yard. Hope that was helpful.